up, everybody? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Pup. Okay, today we're going to be making cheesy baked potato bread. Okay, so let me get started. First of all, I peeled one potato. All it takes is one potato. I already got a pot of boiling water here, so I'm going to let that potato boil. So what I want to get to now is that I want to start mixing my my dough. Okay. The dough consists of basically very small amount, 3/4 cups of bread flour, 3/4 cups of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt. And let me get all my milk out of there. Okay. Get the salt out of the way. Now what I want to do, start mixing this up. I might need a little bit more flour, but we will see. Get it all combined. We're probably going to need some more flour. Alright, we're going to need some more flour. And what you're going to do for the flour, you're going to use a tablespoon at a time until your dough starts to form. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon so far. That's 2. That's 2. 3, 4 so far. Okay. And that's 4 tablespoons so far. She's getting there. You can also do this in a stand mixer, which I got the bowl for it, but I'm doing it by hand. That was 4, 5, 6 tablespoons so far. So I'm gonna have to do the math on it. All right. All right. I guess I can continue to mix it here. There's no yeast involved in this. All right, I'm gonna need some more. I said 6. That's 7. All right. 7. Seven, 8. I'm going to do the math on it and put it in the notes. The proper amount of flour to use to get it where I want it. I never made this before, my first time. Alright. Yep, let's get it to where I want it to be. Alright. Now, when I finish with this dough here, I'm gonna let it rest in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Alright. right. Way too sticky in the bowl. You know what, everybody, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove it from this bowl here because it's so hard to deal with. Let me get it down on this surface here so you can actually see what I'm doing. All right. So that was 9 tablespoons extra. I'm gonna figure it out in a second what it was. Yeah, she's looking good now. All right, potatoes on, still cooking, boiling. You want to make sure that your potato is done because you're gonna have to mash that potato, and you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to that. All right, but that's gonna be later on in the video. Show you how it's done. Okay, I'm happy with this. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this dough, I'm gonna cover it with a piece of plastic, and I'll put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. All right, by that time the potato should be done, and we'll move on to the next step. So I shall return. What's up, everybody? All right, I have boiled my potato. Potato is basically done. All right, so I'm just gonna smash her up. Get it all smashed up. All right. You know, I'm gonna use a fork for this here. I got a very big fork. All right. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. All right. Oh, there we go. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. All right. And this is all that you have to do to the potatoes. Well, at this point, you can put some green onions in. I don't have none growing at this time yet. But you can add green onions in this right now. You can add, to spice it up, any spices you want into this mixture. All right. All right. So, the potato mixture is done. Now, I still have a little bit time left. I got about 30 minutes left to chill that the dough. All right. So once the dough is chilled, I shall return. Hey everybody. All right. The dough has been in the refrigerator for about an hour, and right now I'm going to remove it from the bowl here. All right. There it is here. Okay, what I'm going to do, all right, now, what I'm going to do, get it rolled out. Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption there. Okay, what I did, I put a little flour down because it got too sticky. All right, now what I'm going to do now, all right, I'm going to add my cheese to it. Now, you can add anything in here what you want to add. Anything. And I mean anything. All right. You can add sausages. What else can you add here? Sausages, bacon, ham, salami. Anything you want. You can imagine. You can think of. Add it in. Then you take the potato mixture. You see, I'm not going all the way to the edge. I'm going to spread it all out regardless. Make sure I get all my potato. All right. And here we go. All right. Looking good so far. Get all my potato in there. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, lift it, pinch, pinch, fold and pinch. 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 Okay. Fold and pinch. 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 And just keep pinching. All right. Fold and pinch. Fold and pinch. And just keep folding. Keep folding. All right. Keep folding. And make it a little package here. Until you got it all sealed up. Okay, then you're going to flip it over. And now you got a nice little package there. Then you're going to lightly roll her out. All right. Looking good. Going back to 10 inches. I might be able to get 11 inches out of this. And I don't want to overstretch it. Don't want to pop it either. All right. Got it about 11 inches. All right. All right. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to preheat my skillet with some butter. And I shall return. Hey, everybody. Welcome back. Okay. I'm going to turn my fire down to low. I got my oil in. So now I'm going to take my cheesy bread, and there we go. She fits perfectly in there. And I'm going to cook this until it gets golden brown on the other side. And then what I'm going to do after that, actually I'm going to do it right now. I got some melted butter here. I'm going to hit it with some melted butter. All right. So when I flip it, she'll be ready to go. All right. And that is that of that. All right. All right, so Ooh. There we go. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. That's what you're looking for. That's the color you're looking for. You're looking for this color here. All right. And inside the cheese and the potato is warming back up. All right. That looks fantastic. All right, so I shall return when the cheesy potato bread is done. Hey everybody, okay. This is the cheesy baked potato bread. All right, she cooked up really, really nice. Very simple recipe. All right, so I'm gonna give a little cut into it. Let me find my pizza cutter. All right, let me give it a try. All right. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. That is really fantastic. That is fantastic. But you know what? We can try it in different ways. Let's move it over here a little bit. That is good. So right now I'm going to use me a sriracha chili sauce, ketchup, on one piece here. Oh, it came out too much. Mm. Mm. That is good. Then we're going to try some hot sauce. Mmm. They are both fantastic. Both of it. Mmm. There we go. Yes. Try the recipe. It's very delicious. Mmm. But once again, very simple recipe, easy to make. You can do this as an appetizer or just for lunch, whenever you want to cook it. I mean, it's just very simple. But if you enjoy this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. My name is Cooking with Chef Puff. We always bring you the good stuff. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you subscribe and join us, it helps me make more videos like this. All right, so once again, God bless you. And everybody have a wonderful Friday and have a good day. Bye-bye.